You are watching SGT Times with me, Ishita. Let's have a look at the top stories. Vibrant culmination of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat 2024 celebrates India's cultural richness and talent. ICG seizes 86 kg narcotics worth Rs 600 crore and apprehends 14 crew members of the Pakistan vessel. Center for Cosmology and Science Popularization organizes Taramandal program at IIT Roorkee's Conference 2024. Indian Air Force ushers in digital transformation with DigiLocker integration. Now the news in detail. The concluding day of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat 2024 witnessed a jubilant celebration of India's diverse cultural tapestry and the exceptional talent showcased by the students of SGT University. Let's have a look.
The event commenced with the enthralling Desh Ke Rang Nritya Ke Sang dance competition, captivating the audience with a mesmerizing journey through the nation's cultural heritage. Standout performances from Punjab students left an indelible mark, highlighting their exceptional prowess. The distinguished guest from the event was Padma Shri Ranjana Gohar, a globally renowned Odissi dancer and multifaceted personality, graced the occasion with her esteemed presence, a recipient of the Padma Shri Award and numerous other accolades. Padma Shri Gohar's contribution to Indian classical dance are unparalleled. As the founder, president of Utsav Educational and Cultural Society, Ranjana's Odissi Dance Academy, she continues to nurture talent and propagate Indian classical dance traditions.
Ma'am, your journey has been really inspirational, how you have established yourself in multiple fields. Could you please tell us how do you manage to balance in all these roles and multiple others?
If you are passionate about something and if you love something deeply and you realize that that is the purpose of your life, then there is no problem in time management, or because there is no time. All the time is yours. So you utilize it in the best way that you can, because you have to achieve, you know your destination, you know your journey, you know that there are difficulties. So time management is absolutely in your hands. For me, 24 hours are not enough in a day. I wish there were more. But doesn't matter, in those 24 hours, मुझे लोग छेड़ते थे, ये कहते थे कि तू दुर्गा है, तेरी 8 बाजुएं हैं. तो मैंने कहा वो बनना पड़ता है. Because I had to raise a child also. तो मुझे मतलब my personal life also was involved and took my time. तो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ पे भी बहुत काम किए हैं, क्योंकि मुझे मेरा डांस ही बहुत इंस्पायर करता है.
Ma'am, was there any stereotypes or challenges you had to overcome while establishing yourself as a female artist in India?
Definitely, there were many challenges, there were many difficulties, not only because I was a female, but just as a dancer, because from the time that I began dancing was not considered a very respectable kind of activity, and my parents were very unhappy to begin with that I had chosen dance as my career, and they were not at all comfortable with the idea. But as I said, it is your passion, it's your inner voice, the God speaks in you that no, this is your रूट, दिस इज़ योर लक्ष्य, जीवन का लक्ष्य है ये. तो सबको फाइट किया, और इतने अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ और इस तरह की ओपनिंग्स नहीं थी जैसे आजकल मोबाइल फ़ोन में व्हाट्सएप है और इंस्टाग्राम है और आप अपने फेसबुक में बहुत कुछ डाल सकते हैं. हम लोगों को डांस करके ही दिखाना पड़ता था कि हम अच्छे आर्टिस्ट हैं. जब तक कोई हमें देखता नहीं था डांस करते हुए, वो कैसे जानेगा कि हम अच्छे आर्टिस्ट हैं. हम वीडियो तो था नहीं. तो उस ज़माने में अपने आप को इस्टेब्लिश करना बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था. My experience has been extremely pleasant and enjoyable. There is nothing to advise. You have so many wonderful faculty members and seniors who are guiding you already. I think you all are doing excellent job, and I wish you all the best for future.
The Indian Coast Guard, in collaboration with the Anti-Terrorism Squad and Narcotics Control Bureau, seized 86 kg of narcotics valued at Rs 600 crore and apprehended 14 crew members from the Pakistani vessel in a meticulously planned anti-narcotics operation at sea on Monday. Let's have a look.
The ICG ship Rajratan, equipped with ATS and NCB officials, positively identified the suspect boat despite attempts to evade detection. The swift response of Rajratan, supported by a fleet of ships and aircraft on concurrent missions, left no room for escape for the drug-laden vessel. The ship's specialist team embarked on the suspect boat and, after thorough checks, confirmed the presence of a sizable amount of narcotics. The crew and the vessel are being escorted to Porbandar for further investigation and legal proceedings. The jointness of ICG and ATS, which has led to 11 such successful law enforcement operations in the last 3 years, reaffirms the synergy for national objectives. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
Let's take a short break. We will be back soon.
SGT lets me question anything, even the university. I have visited other campuses too, but SGT has better infrastructure. Plus, it's hope. Here, we are not just students, we are emerging journalists. We got an opportunity to interact with renowned media experts.
Asia's biggest shooting floor, latest equipment,
practical learning,
faculties from the industry, freedom of expression. Come, be a part of this revolution.
SGT University, nurturing future leader.
Welcome back after the break. The Taramandal program, organized by SGT University's Center for Cosmology and Science Popularization, concluded with resounding success at IIT Roorkee's Confluence 2024. Featuring 8 mesmerizing shows with over 350 participants, the event captivated audiences with its awe-inspiring exploration of the cosmos. Let's have a look.
The program garnered widespread acclaim from students, faculty, and visitors who were spellbound by its enthralling presentations. The continuous influx of awestruck attendees and their heartfelt appreciation reverberated throughout the campus, underscoring the event's profound impact. The success of the Taramandal program has promoted an open invitation for the center to conduct more such shows in the future, reflecting its commitment to engaging and enlightening audiences through innovation science communication. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
The Indian Air Force embarked on a transformative digital journey by integrating with the DigiLocker platform, our flagship initiative under the Digital India program, on Friday. Let's have a look.
In a ceremonial event held at Air Headquarters, Vayu Bhavan, the IAF and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology signed the momentous Memorandum of Understanding to leverage DigiLocker's secure and accessible document repository services. This pioneering integration will revolutionize how critical service documents of IAF personnel, both serving and retired, are issued, accessed, and verified digitally. By harnessing the power of cutting-edge technology, the IAM reaffirms its commitment to data security, operational efficiency, and seamless access to information. Bureau Report, SGT Times.
That's all for today in SGT Times. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more updates.